Wait, I am alive? Huh? Oh. That thing. Ugh, why did that thing attack me? Also, what was it saying? How did it even get here? Vale, what can I do here? It's an empty void, with whatever this black gas is. And this bracelet, this hat? Don't remember putting these things on. Well, let's see what these do. Sweet. What about the laser thingy? Neat. Hold on, is that? Oh, holy shit. An exit. Oh my god. I gotta get the fuck out of here. Right, now. No, don't close on me. Ugh. What? Come on. God damn it. Why did it have to close on me? Open now, god damn it. Come on. Woo, what? Did I just? Hold on. Whoa, my hand is like a blade? Wait a second. Interesting. Not only my voice changed, but my arm is like a blade? What the hell is up with this void? Anyways, I've got to find my way out of here. Or well, actually, make my own way out of here. What? Oh come on. Why do things always turn on me? Ugh. Ouch. Ow. Come on, damn it. Fuck this shit. Huh? Woo, what is that? Wait, beaver, hands? Who is that guy?
Huo, Og.
What? What the hell is happening? This place is so weird. And that guy really felt familiar. Ugh. Well, let's explore. How did this place take form? Better yet, how can an empty space take a form? What the fuck? There is more of those things? Oh hell no. I'm getting the fuck out of here. Oh shit. I'm surrounded now. Alright then. I'm ready. What? It's not attacking me? They are. They're calming down. Are you not?
They are no longer a threat.
Oh wait, what the fuck? They can talk? that, what? Alright, I guess, let's keep exploring. Huh? Hey! Stand back. Are you not going to hurt me? You better not, otherwise your head will not exist, understood? Good thing these things somehow understand English, otherwise they wouldn't leave me the fuck alone. Ugh. I'm gonna take a rest. God, my legs. Huh. Another one. Stand before. Wait a minute, you're the same one? Ugh. You can stay with me, as long as you don't hurt me, got it? You know, the wind is nice here. Wait a minute, how is there wind here? It's void. How can an empty void have wind? How can a void take form? Ugh, too many questions. I don't want to overthink, just relax. Hey, what happened, boy? Tell you what? I'm gonna name these things voids. I mean, they are in an empty void. What's wrong?
Strider.
What? Strider? Huh? Whoa. Oh god. What in the effort-loving fuck is that?